So over here you can see that I have this audio right here. So now one of the effects that I can add in is low pass. So to do that, I'm going to go around under effects right here and then on to audio. And over here you can see that low pass is an effect. So if I were to go around and click and drag out the low pass right here, then I can go around and press the play button. The higher pitch actually disappears, as you can hear out. You can go around and disable the low pass right here, and then it becomes normal. So that is what you have. So let me just go around and delete out the low pass. It becomes normal again. So now I can go around over here under effects, under audio right here, and choose another effect as well. So this is the audio that I have right now. So now what else I can do is I can go around and add in NewBlue audio polish right here. So let me just go around and add it. And if I were to press the play button, so that is the effect that you have. There's a custom setup, as you can see, and in the polish you can go around, change around the noise reduction, you can change around the compression, the brightness, and so forth, as you can see right here. You can pull this out and you can see the ambience as well. And then you hear out different effects. Apart from that, you got the individual parameters right here for the details, and you can utilize the slider as well. You can reduce the noise reduction, or you can increase up the noise reduction right here. And it sounds much more clean, as you can see, but it does affect the quality of the audio as well. So you can go around, change around the compression as well. And that is what you have. And that is how you can work around with low pass and NewBlue audio polish effect inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.